Hi, I'm Dr. Paige Wallace, the Urgent Care Coordinator here at Tier 1 Veterinary Medical Center, and today we're going to talk a little bit about a highly controversial topic. We're going to talk about ear cropping. Ear cropping is the surgical removal of most, if not all, of the flappy portion of a dog's ear. Most dogs are not born that way, like Dobermans and Great Danes whose ears stand up on top of their head. That's not natural, that's surgically enhanced. This was done historically for many reasons, decreasing the rate of ear infections, improving hearing, decreasing easy holds for either prey or combatives during fighting. But most of these reasons are no longer valid today or have been disproved. So that pretty well leaves us with just cosmetic purposes for ear cropping. And because of that, because there's not a benefit to the animal and there's inherent risks with surgery, not to mention you're actually removing a part of their body, you're actually removing most, if not all, of the flappy portion of their ear. And most dogs are not born that way. Because of that, most countries have actually disallowed the practice and won't allow you to register dogs that are cropped or have dock tails. And the American Veterinary Medical Association is not in support of the procedure if it's only for cosmetic reasons. There's a bunch of inherent risks to the surgery, to any surgery: infection, bleeding, potentially death in some cases. And if there's no benefit to the animal, they don't see a reason to support it. It is still legal in the United States and Canada, and both the American Kennel Club and Canadian Kennel Club still allow the registration and showing of docked and cropped dogs. Because of that, a lot of veterinarians in the US will still crop ears or dock tails for your dogs. The reason being, we want to see it done right. It's a risky procedure, it can cause harm, so veterinarians want to be able to provide pain relief and combat risk for infection and make sure that it's done in a way that does minimal harm to the dog. If you have questions about risks or implications of pursuing an ear cropping with your puppy, for instance, what age should you do it? What does the aftercare look like? How do I go about taping and bracing the ears so they stand up? I'd recommend scheduling a consultation with a veterinarian. This is something that they can discuss with you at length and talk about the risks inherent in the surgery and answer any questions you may have. They may also have a list of places you can go to get the procedure done. For more information or historical background on ear cropping, check out the blog or click the link below if you're watching this from YouTube to read a little bit more about ear cropping.